So here we are at Athlone train station with HHCV trains. Red light down there. So you can see. Sorry for the shakes. See, red light down there. See, red light. Just waiting for the green signal, and then we'll be off. So here we've got 22230. Waiting for the light to turn green over there. Gonna wait for the train to depart. And yeah. Sorry for the shakes as well. We're just gonna wait for the train to depart. They've got their position lights on for some reason. Or like the marker lights up there. Ooh. Okay guys, so there's an emergency. The ambulance is here. Yeah, we still got a red signal from over there. And yeah, so that's basically just the start of the video. You can see this train is for Galway. Sorry for the extremely obnoxious shaking. Yeah. Yeah, see you when the train's departing. Yellow signal. Doors. All doors shut. Waiting for signal. Whoa! Yay!
Hurrah! Come here!
Waiting for the green signal. Is my flashlight on? Oh my god. Here we go. Flight 22230. Thank you. Here we go. Flight 22230 to Galway. And that was the first train of the evening. So I'll see you in the next arrival. Train. It's going to be the 5:49 service to Galway.
I'm blind.
Guys, positioner lights on. Oh my god, those lights are freaking blinding. Here, I hear it.
This one's longer.
It is not a double.
This is a passenger announcement. The train now boarding on platform number 1. 16:30-hour train from Dublin to Galway, serving bound as well.
We've got 22135.
No, możemy do Berlina.
Now? So 22135, I think it was. I'm gonna go into Galway. It's gonna be the last train of the day. Gonna watch it depart in a minute. Yellow. It's gonna progress slowly. Here we go.
Carriages done.
22135 to Galway, and that was going to be the last train of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smash the like button and subscribe to this new channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another Train Spawn video.